questions?
I also look.
Okay. Sure. Any specific thing you want to get feedback on?
I like the you tell about the background because you don't wanna understand the Greek. I just
I have a quick follow-up about the background. Maybe it applies to this too. So I'll say no. Sometimes we deliberately chose to make it boring in some way because we don't want the background to take attention away from like the physical features of the model. So what's your take on that? Because you really push it should be interesting, but when we took the white wall background from a lot of high dynamic videos that focus on the body.
Oh, for sure. I think we should keep doing them. I would just experiment with it. But I know what you mean because like a lot of cosplay backgrounds are like super ADHD, you know, you have all the toys and the LEDs. But there's also just like objectively good backgrounds that are not taken away. Like, for example, depth in the video. Like if I do a video here, it's going to be boring. But even if I just record you right now, there's like depth in the background, you know, there's a lot of different details. But outside of that, it's just objectively interesting. You have lighting. So it's more like eye-catcher backgrounds, you know, they shouldn't take away, but just having enough there so you don't instantly get bored. But may also be a pattern that she looks unprofessional. So yeah, we should definitely test it out.
I take off the link because of a restriction, but
Yeah.
you used maybe in the first highlight because I had it there in the third one.
I mean, I would just have the link, sorry. I would just have it right here.
On
Like,
the first one.
yeah, and also name the highlight. Like, yes, I have one that's here or something like that. I mean,
About the bio, I had like find the green apple, and when the restriction it's clear, I will put one green apple, and this is the call to action. This is
this thing's fire. Yeah.
it's fire because I used to like go to bio, check bio, and it's basically. What do you think?
I think you can still go bio because we just want to make sure, like, if it's basic, it's even good because people just know where to find it, you know, but for the content itself, like, I would probably try more verticals because we don't have that many outliers. Like as in last time, most videos just get 50 to 70K views. I would try to experiment more with like news. You got like stream highlights for one time, you know, and some of them popped and some of them didn't, but like, I'd rather have more variety in there. The average views are fire, but especially in Greece, right, where the views are lower. But I would just try like more shit, maybe like one, like approaching people in the street thing, just like more crazy shit works in the Greek niche, you know?
We did this and it was very good.
Yeah, like just because, for sure, because like 8 out of 10, they're gonna be like not that good, but you get 2 like crazy outliers and then you can just spam that for the next couple of weeks, you know? So yeah, I'll just be more retarded and just try more shit. As dumb as it sounds, it's like not satisfying answer, but for sure, yeah.
What about the OF bio? Like you see,
I mean, that's good after question to be fair. And also I don't speak Greece.
yeah. It says like you don't came here by accident. You see something, come to my DMs and tell me what you see.
Yeah, I would make it way longer to be fair. Like
Way longer.
like the main thing that we always do is like, okay, first line is like a funny hook, like either my great ass or my funny personality got you here. Either way, glad you're here. Whatever, funny, you know, personality, whatever. Then we go into like a personal fact. Well, aside from going to uni and spending time with my dog, I like to be on here. Cute, people fall in love. Then we go sexual, tell the people exactly what they can expect. So
Tell them exactly.
not like we don't have a tip list, but for example, aside from the fact that I'm like 5'3", you will appreciate the fact that I hate wearing clothes the most. AKA translation, you're gonna see me naked, nice. And then like maybe a funny CTA. I'm pretty much online pretty much online when I'm not at uni, but the better your trashy pickup line is, the faster I apply. Like to get them in the DMs. That would be one thing. Write one for you and you can just like test it out for sure. But I will make it longer.
Our content is very generic, to recreate with look alike.